My name is Dr. Nargis Taslim Bak. I am working as a medical specialist in Islamabad. Today we are to talk about the obesity, which is the new health pandemic threatening our societies and communities. I am very much honored to be the part of the campaign of the World Obesity Day, which is themed as Let's Talk About the Obesity and See It from a Different Perspective. Different perspective means it's not the cosmetic concern only, it's the health hazard, it's the health pandemic which is posing, which is coming and increasing day by day. As per the figures from the WHO, the rise in this pandemic is becoming 2 to 3-fold more in the last few decades. And as per the Pakistan National Nutrition Survey, alongside the underweight, we have also the problem of overweight and obesity among the children and among the adolescents and all the childbearing age ladies. The basic thing is that the obesity is posing a threat to our health in many ways. It is a big risk factor for the diabetes and cardiovascular diseases, which includes the stroke, hypertension, ischemic heart disease, and add-on obesity and overweight put a great burden on our joints, and musculoskeletal issues are rising up, like osteoarthritis and bone pains, cause much more pressure is placed on the joints. And next onward, the big threat is for the sleep apnea. In sleep apnea, you get sleep disturbances and daytime somnolence. You feel always sleepy, tired, fatigued, and loss of energy. These are all the health hazards which are posed by the obesity. Obesity's name can be said adiposities, more fat in your body. Now it's the health hazard, not the cosmetic concern only. And there is no game of shame or blame for the obesity to one individual. It's the society's problem. And we have to become aware of that. More collectively we go for that, more collectively we would get the results. And it puts a much more economic burden on our society, our hospital care, our health facilities, and all the things. How to control it? First of all, we have to create awareness about that, and then we have to consider our healthy food choices. We have to have a healthy food choices. We have to create a more access to vegetables, fruits, and grains, whole grains things, rather than the more access to the fast food. And next onward, physical activity. We have to get more focus on the physical activity things and more accessibility to the physical activity, like community walks, like community gyms, parks, and etc. And next onward, we have to change our lifestyle choices, our mindsets, our mindful eating, healthy habits. It's all the psychological message which runs into the communities, which can change altogether the perspective to the obesity, and we can get into the better future, healthy future. And this is the theme of the day. Like, it's not only the concern of an individual, he is or she is obese. It's the concern for the whole community and society, because as the disease burden is increasing, there is more economic threat, to the resources of the health and the facilities. So let's come together, work together, create awareness, have healthy choices to get onto the better future for our future generations, and better future for the Pakistan. Thank you.
Leadership through excellence.